In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make vegetable miso soup. Hey, it's me, Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make vegetable miso soup. Miso soup is a staple dish in Japanese cuisine, and we make it and we have it almost every day. It's so easy to make, but depending on what you put in the miso soup, it can be very hearty and nutritious. 1 or 2 onigiri rice ball and a cup of miso soup with a lot of vegetable in it can be a very easy, quick and healthy meal. So let's get started. To make miso soup, you just need 3 ingredients: dashi, Japanese soup stock, miso, and ingredients. That's it. Dashi, miso, ingredients. And I have dashi soup stock ready here. And if you don't know how to make Japanese dashi soup stock, you can check the video here. And for the ingredients, today I'm using cabbage and deep fried tofu that I always have in the freezer. But ingredients for miso soup can be anything you like. Today it's cabbage, but you can use onion, napa cabbage, broccoli, daikon radish, whatever vegetable you like. So let's start cutting the vegetable. It's cabbage today, so I'm cutting the core off. Oh, by the way, I'm making 2 cups of miso soup today. Cut the vegetable into easy to eat size, bite size, and put them in this broth here, dashi soup stock here. And let's put this dry, deep fried tofu too. Turn the heat on and cook it until all the vegetables are cooked. Today I'm making 2 cups of miso soup, so I have about 2 cups of dashi soup stock in here, and vegetable is being cooked in the dashi soup stock. Now, vegetable, cabbage today has been cooked in here a little less than 10 minutes, so it's nice and soft. It's time to add miso paste. So miso paste looks like this. It looks like a peanut butter. And if you want to know more about miso, I have a video about Japanese seasoning including miso. So I put the link here, so check it if you're interested. And to make 1 cup of miso soup, you need 1 cup of broth and little less than 1 tablespoon of this miso paste. And as I said, I'm making 2 cups of miso soup today, so we have about 2 cups of broth dashi in here, and I'm adding little less than 2 tablespoons of miso paste into the pot using this miso strainer. Every Japanese family has this one, essential kitchen tool in Japanese kitchen. So you put the miso in the strainer, just like this. Dunk the strainer into the dashi and push it out. And by using this miso strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. And right after you put the miso in here, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. I start to smell that. And when you start to smell the rich flavor of miso, turn the heat off and no more heating. Heating or boiling will kill the flavor of miso. So after you add miso paste, make sure you don't boil it. And your miso soup is ready already. So quick and so easy to make. So let's serve it in the soup bowl. And your vegetable miso soup is ready to go. Enjoy! Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about Japanese food or Japanese food culture, leave a message in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now. Looking forward to seeing you in next video.